I feel like this Campus Harvest really changed my life, to change from the old me, and I want to be real. I want to be real with God and be real with myself, and that's what happened. I got filled with the Holy Spirit last night. You know, I broke a lot of chains. I did, and I feel free, and I am free.
I really feel like the fire inside. Like, I've never been filled so much, like satisfied, not even by food or anything, just by like the Holy Spirit, you know?
This weekend I figured out that God never left my side. He was always with me. It's just that I couldn't hear him and I couldn't see the way that the light that he was showing me. But making the decision to come here made the difference for me. Like, it changed me.
The fact that God rocked everybody and saved my little brother and I was able to baptize him, that's nothing I was coming in expecting.
I can truly say that I am a changed man. I'm a man working for God now. I don't think I'm ever going to stop until, I reach his feet.